Did ancient Rome really rely on birds to predict the outcome of battles and guide decisions in ancient scrolls? First, augurs watched entrails and birds in flight to interpret divine will, shaping public policy and military action to settle disputes. Second, dreams and celestial omens shaped royal succession, with priests interpreting signs before a monarch was crowned in courts worldwide. Finally, temple rituals and public ceremonies tied urban life to astrology, marking seasons, markets, and war readiness worldwide. If you crave more overlooked histories like this, subscribe now for daily discoveries.